Hey flutes, let's go through the beginning stuff, playing the head joint and assembling the flute in this video. Stop at any time when you want to practice something on your own. Just pause the video, practice it before you move on. I know most of you can do this already, but this will be helpful if you miss something or if you want to go over something. Okay, head joint, hand over the end. Remember, step one. We're blowing like it's a bowl of soup, nice and gently. So hand over the end, kiss it, roll down, blow real gently. Kiss it, roll down. Remember, pause and practice. If you're having trouble, maybe you didn't get it right in the middle, or you rolled down too far, or not far enough. Watch. Or too far. Find the place where it works. Step two, without your hand on the end. Same thing, still blowing nice and gently. You can hear it didn't start out quite right, and I adjusted a little bit. So pause and practice if you need to. Okay, assembling the flute. Head joint, body. We're putting together the end that does not have keys on it. This has to go in really gently. Watch. Super gentle. Twist. And push it in gently. The hole in your head joint and the lip plate lines up with all of the keys in a row. Then foot joint. Foot joint has two ends. One has keys, one doesn't. We're lining up the one that has keys. Be even more careful putting this one together. Now, how do we line up the foot joint and the body? You might think that it goes like this. Looks nice and even? Nope, it doesn't. It's kind of weird. Here's how you do it. You find this little goofy key right here, and this little goofy key, it's called the E flat key, lines up with this rod right here. So it's kind of off center. It looks crooked, but it's not. If you don't get that quite right now, don't worry. Okay, playing the whole flute. Make sure the flute is going to your right. Your right hand is down here. I'm just holding it any which way. Doesn't matter. Same thing. Kiss it. Roll down. Still blowing nice and gentle. If your step one is good and your step two is good, then you're probably going to be able to do this. If it sounds like this, sounds kind of high, you're blowing too fast, slow down. We're always blowing gently like it's a bowl of soup. You can see I'm just kind of holding it. Doesn't really matter. Just worrying about the sound. All right, so there you go. There's lesson one. Next video, we'll talk about fingers and play B, A, and G.